Okay, so this is a follow-up, finally, to the 455 build. That's one of the 73 blocks that was in a video way back when. Getting ready to assemble it, so it's been bored 38 over, and the crank's been ground down, so it's 10 and 10, and the whole assembly's been balanced. And the crank's been polished. Camshaft is from TA Performance. It's obviously a Crower billet. There's the specs on it. Should be a nice little cam. And let me get the information here on the pistons. Hang on a second. So the pistons are Race Tech. Those are Eagle rods. The entire assembly will be put together using ARP bolts. Eagle came with their own stuff. I'm sure they're ARP. The lifters have been soaking and breaking oil for about a week. I'll be assembling it with the Ultra Slick, and then the Comp Cam's lifter and installation lube for the cam. And the rings are Total Seal. File to fit. The uppers are 20. The second ring's 22. And of course, that's all been checked and verified several times. Anyway, there's a block. I also went ahead and purchased the TA Lifter Valley splash guard. I'm going to be using composite intake gaskets. So instead of cutting that big pan gasket up and trying to make it work with the composite gaskets, I bought this. Real easy installation. It's real clean. I like it a lot. All the machine work was done by Action Machine in Shoreline, Washington. Those guys are great. They know how to do Buicks, and they've done several engines for me, so I'm getting excited, looking forward to going ahead and putting this thing together, and I'll show you on the other end.